main shooter behind the attack on actor Disha Patni's residence there in Bareilly, along with another shooter, was killed in a joint encounter by the Haryana STF and the UP police in Ghaziabad's Tronika city. Both of the suspects are said to be linked to prominent Rohit Godara and Goldie Brar transnational criminal gang, as the case that stems from a shooting that took place in the early hours on the 12th of September, when gunshots were fired at Disha Patni's ancestral home in Bareilly's civil lines area. Police say that the firing that happened around 3:45 a.m. and it startled when it comes to the quiet residential neighborhood, where there was CCTV footage of the shooting from the day of the incident that has also been recovered, which captures the entire incident. Now, as far as the main shooter in this case is involved and his accomplice have now been gunned down in this joint operation, the duo, who have been named as Ravindra and Arun, was spotted in Ghaziabad, after which a trap was laid, and thereafter they were ultimately killed in retaliatory firing as far as this joint operation was carried out.
Major encounter by the UPSTF in the joint operation by the Delhi and Haryana police. You have eliminated two of the gangsters who were in touch with international gangsters also. What was the operation all about? किस तरह के हुआ सर?
आपको पता होगा कि ये दिशा पाटनी जो अभिनेत्री, उनके घर पर बरेली के जो पैतृक आवास उस पर 12 तारीख को फायरिंग हुई थी सुबह. उसमें केस रजिस्टर हुआ था. केस संवेदनशील था और इसको वर्कआउट करने के लिए सारी टीमें इसमें लगी हुई थी. और चूंकि इनका जो कार्य क्षेत्र हरियाणा और दिल्ली काफ़ी रहा है, इसका बड़ा नेटवर्क है वहाँ पे, क्योंकि इसका जिम्मेदारी रोहित गुदार और गोल्डी बरार ने एक पोस्ट से ली थी. तो इसलिए इसमें हरियाणा एसटीएफ और काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट जो दिल्ली की है उससे संपर्क भी किया गया और साझा रूप से इसमें इसको विकसित करना शुरू किया गया. और इसकी कई सारी जब टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, सीसीटीवी और सूचना संकलन से ज्ञात हुआ कि ये जो दोनों अभियुक्त जिन्होंने फायरिंग करी है.
So let's take you through the sequence of events, what has happened in the last 5 days as far as when it comes to this firing of this incident that has been reported. Two of those shooters who have now been killed in that encounter, it was on the 12th of September, late in the night or early in the morning around 3:45 a.m. when two shooters, that is now been said, who were traveling on this bike that was spotted by the police. Thereafter, a few days later on the 17th of September, where we are looking at, they were identified and a trap that was laid near the Tronika city in Ghaziabad. And upon spotting the police, the gunmen opened fire at the police and there was retaliatory shooting as well. Both of the shooters had sustained multiple injuries. However, when they were brought to the hospital, now being said that they were brought declared dead. Glock pistol and Zigana pistol that has been recovered, along with larger ammunition, the cache of ammunition that has also been seized. But as far as this development is concerned, let's play out another reaction that is now coming in.
एक चैलेंज के रूप में एक्सेप्ट कर इस गैंग को वर्कआउट किया गया और आज सायंकाल में एक मुठभेड़ में ये दो शूटर्स मार गिराए गए. इसमें रविंद्र का आपराधिक इतिहास अच्छा खासा है. इसके द्वारा पुलिस पर भी पूर्व में फायरिंग की गई है, जिसमें हरियाणा पुलिस का एक कांस्टेबल की छाती में गोली लगी थी. मुठभेड़ में इनके पास से दो बहुत ही सोफिस्टिकेटेड पिस्टल्स बरामद हुए हैं, जिसमें एक जिगाना की पिस्टल है और एक ग्लॉक की पिस्टल है. साथ ही बड़ी संख्या में 9mm के कारतूस भी बरामद हुए.
So two of the shooters, the main shooter and the accomplice, is now believed to be gunned down in this joint operation that has been carried out. And what is being said that they were linked to the Disha Patni's house firing case that happened in Bareilly few days ago.